Welcome to Blue Mountain Village, your premier ski resort in Ontario, Canada. Today's featured ski run is Happy Valley. It is considered a green run, one of the easiest, and it's for beginners. Here's a map of Blue Mountain, and it shows you all the chairlifts and all the ski runs. Now we are going to shrink the map and show you where our featured ski run, Happy Valley, is located. Now, if you are a beginner skier, I think this is one of the best beginner hills at Blue Mountain. As you can see, I have circled Blue Mountain Inn at the bottom of the page. Now, if you're staying at the Blue Mountain Inn, Happy Valley might be a great ski run for you to do a couple warm-up runs before venturing to other ski runs at Blue Mountain. Now, I'm just going to go over a little bit of information now. This ski run is called Happy Valley. The chairlift is called Century Express, and it is a 6-man express lift. The difficult rating is green, which is beginner, and it's probably the longest and hardest beginner run. The length of the run, it says, is 118 meters, but it is longer than that. And the grade is 21% down. I want you to take note of the top red circle. Now, this is where a lot of skiers get into trouble. Now, on the left side of the circle there's a little drop off that's dangerous for some beginner skiers. And to the right of it, there is a merge from an intermediate ski run. And sometimes beginner skiers have problems with other skiers coming down there a little bit too fast to merge. So be careful in that area. So now we're on the hill here, and this is a Century Express chairlift. The Century Express is a 6-man chairlift, but because of social distancing, fewer people are allowed on the chairlift.
Understand how Sonny Bono died and how these people die in the woods. We'll do another touch glove up here. Let's close it off.
In order to go to Happy Valley, when you get off the chairlift, go to the right. We are coming up to the section on the hill where beginners have to be careful. Two things to be aware of. One, on the right there's going to be a drop off. And number two, there's going to be merging skiers right in front of you coming from another ski run. Watch this skier in front of me do what they shouldn't be doing. They just went over the drop off. And there they are. Let's see if they're okay. When you come over the ridge here, you've got a good view of Blue Mountain Inn, Blue Mountain Village, Collingwood, and Georgian Bay. Back where we started. I hope you enjoyed the video on Happy Valley. See you on the slopes.